Assalamualaikum guys. Good morning guys. Guys, today we will start the next topic because yesterday we already discussed about production of the wealth. But today we will start the topic consumption of the wealth. Second topic, consumption of the wealth. Consumption of the wealth. Here we will study how we can consume the wealth. For example, if you have a wealth in your pocket, if you have a wealth in your account, then the part of that wealth that we will use, we will consume on the basic necessities of our life, that is called the consumption. For example, you can say that if you will take an example from your practical life, if you will go to the market, if you will go to the bazaar, if you will go to the shopping mall, at that time, if you will purchase the basic food, for example, you can say that the bread, sugar, and other things, at that time you will pay something. You will pay the price of that commodity, that thing, that is called the consumption of the wealth. And the next topic is the distribution of the wealth. Third topic, distribution. Distribution of the wealth. Distribution means the wealth that we will distribute to the different things, to the different parts of your business. For example, when you will when you will study the production of the wealth, at that time we are using the four things: lands, labor, capital, and the organization. Now, in the end of this business, you will distribute your wealth. How we can distribute? For example, first of all, we will give the something to the land. Which thing? We will give the land, that is called the rent. That is called the rent. For example, if you will take some land for the business, at that time you will pay some money, some wealth for that land, that is called the rent. And secondly, the labor. The some wealth, some money you will give to the labor, that is called the wages. That is called the wages. And third, the capital. The capital. Which which part of wealth you will pay for the capital? That is called the interest. For example, if you will take some money, if you will take some wealth from the bank, at that time, when you will repay, when you will pay back to that bank, at that time you will pay the interest. You will pay the money according to the capital to the bank, that is called the interest. Number four, and the ending point is the organization. Organization. Organization means the owner who is handling each and everything. For example, he is handling the land, he is handling the labor, he is handling the capital. That is called organization. Organization want to get the profit from that business. Who is doing that? That is called the profit. Actually, the main target of the organization of the owner is to get the maximum profit. And you can say that, how can you define the profit? Profit means if you have the total cost and the total revenue. For example, from your business, you are getting the money that is called the total revenue and total cost that you have consumed the money on that business, that is called the total cost. If the difference between the total revenue and the total cost is big, is maximum, it means the profit will be the maximum. And the average every organizer, every owner of a business wants to get the maximum profit. And the difference of the total revenue minus total cost is called the profit. Okay, guys, today we have studied on the other topics, consumption, distribution of the wealth, and we have already covered the three topics: production, consumption, and distribution. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start the next topic that will be very interesting for you and for me. And now, in the end, the same question I am asking you, that if you want to ask some question about how we can consume the wealth, how we can distribute the wealth, then you can ask, no problem. Don't hesitate about the question, because when you will ask a question, then you will be clear, then you will get a lot of knowledge about the economy, and then you can use the all terms, all things, all the techniques in your practical life. Thank you so much. Bundle of thanks, students. Tomorrow we will meet. We will see again in the same class, the same time. Okay, thank you so much.